Welcome, in front of me is an ALCATEL U5 HD, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the phone. And when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with this screen right here. So start off by simply selecting your desired language from the list. I'm gonna stick with English, and from there select Start. Now on the next page, you can insert your SIM card. You can also do that later on. At the moment you insert it, it should work without any kind of problem. So I'm gonna select Skip for now. Now, next page, we have the option to either restore the device or set it up as new. I'm going to be setting it up as new. And from here, there's the Wi-Fi connection. Now it looks... Oh, there we go. We can skip it if we want to, so don't use any network for setup. So if you don't have any near you, you can simply skip it like this. If you want to, you can connect to it. If you choose to skip it, like I will, the only thing that you will lose out is the ability to log into Google account during the setup, but you can still do that later on just simply through settings. So I'm gonna go with don't use it, and then we have Google services. So we have things like use location scanning and send user and diagnostic data, basically. Now, in future updates of Google, this is worded a little bit more elegantly, I would say, but basically Google location services is the ability for the phone to use location. So apps like, for instance, Google Maps can give you an accurate route. Then we have improved location accuracy. This is basically permission for the device to scan around itself for like Wi-Fi signals and Bluetooth and stuff like that. And then the last option is just sending data to Google based on how you use the device. Now, if you don't want any of these, you can simply deselect them like so, scroll down and tap on next. And now we have the option to set up time, assuming it is not correct, and it's close but not there. Well, most certainly the year isn't correct, but you can set it up from here. Now if you already did connect to Wi-Fi, then this page I don't believe pops up at all, because the time is being set automatically based on the network. But because I decided to skip it, I do now have to set it up manually. So I could just go to, can I like change the year quickly? There we go. So we have 21, not 17. And from there we have, I believe it's February 11th right now. There we go. And time is 11:45. So let's change it to 11:45. There we go. And we can now go on. Now next page is just a simple page for us to set a name of the device. So when you're looking for Bluetooth devices, when you're trying to connect this phone to something else, it will show up this phone's name as whatever you import right here. Now if you press next without importing anything, it will then take the name of the device itself. So for this, it's going to be, I believe, ALCATEL U5 HD or something along those lines. Now next page we have here is just a protection of our device. So here we can simply set up some kind of protection, either PIN, pattern, password, or nothing. So if you want one, set it up. I'm going to go with the pattern. Then we have a secure startup. This is kind of redundant, I would say. What it does is allows you to force the user into inputting the protection before the device boots up fully. When, for instance, it died completely and you plug it into charge and you turn it on, you have to put in, for instance, the pattern before the device actually boots back up. And then once it does, to unlock it, you still need to put it once more. So it is a little bit redundant, like I said, and frankly a little bit annoying. So I'm gonna select no thanks, and then we can draw the pattern. Continue, redraw the same pattern, confirm, and it's automatically set. Anything else? Nope, that's it. So it's set up later. Setup complete. Help improve your device by no thanks, and include my nope thanks. So obviously more data gathering trash here. So I'm just gonna deselect it and then finish up the setup. And there we go. That is how you'd go through the setup of this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.